This is your instructional video for November 5th and 6th. So basically what I'm expecting for you guys to do is you're going to watch this episode here. It's called The Ultimate Guide to the President's Power to the People. And it's 43 minutes and 5 seconds long. So I'm giving you 2 days to finish this assignment. But you can finish it in one really if you want to. But basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be watching this video. And then on Sycamore, there are questions that are designed to match your video here. So there's 12 questions that you need to answer. So you're going to copy and paste this into Google Doc and then answer the questions and then turn it into Dropbox because that's the fastest way to grade these sort of things. So watch the video and you can answer the questions as you go, and you can divide the video into 2 days if you need to, or you can finish it all in one day. But once you've turned that in, you will be done for your assignments for the 5th and the 6th, and you will have the weekend to look forward to. But it is due the 6th, so please have it all finished by then. Thank you.